Top 5 apps like Suzushii Clothing Review that actually work today. If you love trendy, modern fashion, you won't believe what happens next. There are apps that offer stylish clothing similar to Suzushii, with easy browsing, affordable prices, and fast delivery. Most people get this wrong, thinking online fashion is hit or miss, but these 5 apps actually work. First up is Zara. Zara's app mirrors its stores with new arrivals, curated collections, and style recommendations. You can order directly from the app and track shipping in real time. Second is ASOS. ASOS offers a wide range of trendy clothing, shoes, and accessories. Its app includes daily deals, personalized recommendations, and easy returns. Number 3 is HAM. HAM's app provides affordable, fashionable pieces with an intuitive search system. You can check store stock, online-only deals, and even create shopping lists. Fourth is Revolve. Revolve focuses on contemporary brands and influencer-curated fashion. The app offers styling tips and early access to sales. Finally, Shine. Shine's app is known for budget-friendly fashion, frequent discounts, and user-friendly browsing. Its flash sales and reviews make it easy to find popular items. In conclusion, while Suzushii clothing is stylish, these 5 apps give you variety, convenience, and on-trend options. They make shopping for fashion easier, faster, and more enjoyable, so you can stay ahead of the trends.